Alright, boys. So, this is gonna be a little bit, it's not gonna be a live trading video today, right? Because for the past 15 minutes, I've been trying to figure out why the fuck it will not let me just take an order, right? I don't know. Still don't know. So, I cannot trade today, right? I don't even know if I want to. This shit looks ass. What I would have want to caught is a limit order on this gap to fill this hourly gap. So something like that. Stop on body of the candle. Right, this is the hourly gap, so it would have hit in like 2 minutes. But that would have been a nice trade, or a really nice trade, not even a. But yeah, we I can't enter for some reason, right? So, ooh, this would be such a nice entry short too. I guess we can stay on and see what we get here, to be honest. If I can get an inversion on this, looks like we're holding. If I, yeah, it looks like we're holding. I was gonna say, if we can get an inversion here, I'd short this. Break even this low, TP this low. Reason being, right, come up, tap equilibrium of this range, right, fill this bearish for value gap, and I was already bearish on the day, but we did come down and fill this early gap, so I guess we'll kind of see what we get. Honestly, fuck that 1 minute. I'd want to see this 3 minute get inversed and a closure on the 3 minute candle, and then from there, right, I'd then be willing to short. So it looks something like this. Again, we're not, obviously we're not, like, I'm just speaking on what I needed to see too short, right? I'm not saying the market's gonna go down or go up, and then you guys are in the comments talking about like, oh, well, he doesn't know what the fuck he's doing. Like, I'm not trying to predict the markets, right? I just know that if we come up, we fill this gap, we inverse this one, we're going to take this low, right? So that's all I'm saying. And this would have been a nice trade too. I know it looks like shit, but basically just a limit order at this gap. You're not going to dump down this. You're not going to displace off open this much just to not fill this gap, right? So I would have had a limit order here, and then we would come down, fill the gap, and TP. But yeah, honestly, this is the short I would want to get into. I would want to short here. Yeah, I'd short like candle closer. Honestly, since we ripped so much, I'd want to see a little bit of retrace unless we can push a little bit back up. We've got one more candle on this 3 minutes, so I think we'll be fine. We are holding both of the gaps though. Got my ghost next to me. Again, you wait for candle closure. Why? Because you thought we could have closed down here and inverse both these gaps, and in fact we didn't inverse a single one, right? So once we get the inverse on this 3 minute, it's gonna be a really nice trade if we get this inversion, right? We come up, tap this 3 minute gap, fill equilibrium, and then from there, so we got 6 seconds. Hey, let's just do this. close. Oh, why did it fill me like that? Well, that was a terrible fill. But this is the trade I would take right there off this that close right there. And this is the short I'd be in. So I guess we'll just sit here and wait, right? Because this is exactly what I would take, to be honest. Let me see. Let me have on a 3 minute. We should have a displacing candle, yeah. So once this closes, I'll move stops this fair value gap. This is a really, really, really beautiful fucking trade, though. If this doesn't hit, I'm gonna be really sad, but it should hit, to be honest. I think it's gonna smack pretty fucking easily. The fill is just shit, though. I'm like, bro, it's a whole fucking. What? How many difference? What difference is that? It's a whole 10-point difference, bro. I wanted to enter right there, but it's okay. Alright, we got the inversion. Ooh, that rejection wick was kind of fucking crazy, though. Let's see what we're doing. I'm more of a continuation trader, so like chop, for me, I don't really like to see chop, to be honest. Like chop is like my fucking worst nightmare. Alright, we need to hold this for 50 seconds, not go back up. That way I can move stop to break, or not even break, but just above this gap. Get some risk off. How many points is that from top of this gap? 2. Throw up a little bit more. Alright, 14 seconds and I'll keep stop there. Okay. Okay. What is that? Alright, so stop is now the 3 minute gap we've created. We're starting to chop around a little bit. It's okay. You know what I'm really sad about? The fact that I can't take this on my actual trading account. Because this is a beautiful fucking trade. Okay, stops at break. So all risk is off the table. Right here, we just sit on our ass, right? Man, this was a really beautiful trade. Again, I said if this didn't hit, I'm gonna be pretty fucking shitty because this is like peak of my strat. Man, I really wish I could have traded today because this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, boys. Well, oh, nope, it's not. Oh, we got edged. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, hold on. Let's move up our TP a little bit. We just got ultimate edged. Honestly, I would have manually closed like right there, but okay. We might get stopped at break now. That's okay though. I'm not right again. It's paper trading, but I am gonna move or TP up just like 2 ticks. That way I don't get edged. Yeah, that's fine. I just don't want to get edged, but I think I already did. I got edged. Oof. That's painful. That's so painful. Yeah. I got edged. It's alright. That's so messed up. That's fucked up, man. But I mean, you can. I would have manually closed. I just didn't feel like it. It's paper trading. But I just wanted to show you guys a trade. I mean, I had a setup, so I didn't want to not take it right. And then you're like, oh, you're not live trading, bro. Like, I know how to trade. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I'm not expecting this trade to hit now. We're already inversing. Jesus. We're already inversing this 1 minute gap. There's no reason for that rejection, right? So I'm assuming we took this low in NQ's eyes. On the charts, we didn't, but yeah. Actually, I take that back. We haven't inversed yet. So until we inverse that, I will not end the video, right? I'm expecting us to inverse it and continue higher. Unless NQ just did the ultimate fucking edge, so people would close and then they go and take the low. But I mean, I'm expecting us to inverse this. Yeah, we should. Yeah. Well, okay, we're inversing this gap. See that candle, bro? This shit. Yeah, buddy, you're cooked. You're fucking cooked. Where is it? You see this fucking wick? God damn it, get this off. Do you see this fucking wick, bro? Yeah, we came down into this fucking fair value gap, said fuck you, and broke all the way out. Yeah. Okay, but that was the trade today, boys. The ultimate edger, as I like to call it, right? But besides that, it's a beautiful trade. I would have manually closed it on my funded account, but yeah, not too shabby. Reasoning behind the trade, right? So you can see on the 3 minute, well, let's hop down to the hourly first, right? You can see on the hourly, we're extremely bearish, right? We're just downtrending all day, right? So just downtrend, chop. Okay, we got a breakout here. We come down, we fill this gap, continue lower. We fill that hourly gap. From there, we come up and we fill EQ of this range, right? We're still bearish on the hourly, so I'm continuing or expecting a continuation lower to take previous day low. We come up, fill this 3 minute gap. We get an inversion on the 3 minute after filling it, and we're already in EQ of this range, right? From there, it's just free money. Just like this. Look. We're going to inverse, and then we're going to chop, and then we're going to retrace on this gap, and then a continuation higher, and then, yeah, literally you can long from here and wait like 2 hours, and it'll hit. But, yeah, most obvious fucking trade if you know what you're doing, right? A lot of people are going to be scared to short on something like this. But it's literally my strat. Like, I've literally gotten so good at recognizing when we're retracing and continuing lower, or retracing and continuing higher. So yeah, with that, boys, that's really all I have for you guys today. This was not a loss trade. Alright, I would have closed manually. I promise you, I assure you. But besides that, boys, that's really all I have for today. Have a good one. Peace out.